Good morning, students. Now we have completed mean. You must have done the exercise 14.1. Let us now find the second measure of central tendency, that is mode. So I have collected the question from your exercise only, or textbook. Find the mode of the following data. The table shows the number of family members in 20 families. So class interval shows the number of family members 1 to 3. There are 7 families. 3 to 5 there are 8 families. 5 to 7 2, and so on. And you know that we have done it in the 9th standard, that is ungrouped data. So that is the maximum frequency, but here we have to calculate. So let us find out which is the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is here 8. So you write down the maximum frequency 8. And the model class, take a class interval where the maximum frequency occurs. So model class will be 3 to 5. Okay. Now let us find out this data. So F1 is the frequency of the model class, that is the maximum frequency 8. F0 is the frequency of the preceding class to the model class. Preceding class means earlier class, so that is 7. F2 is the frequency of the succeeding class to the model class, so which is the next class. This is 5 to 7. What is the frequency here? 2. So F2 is 2. L is the lower limit of the model class. This is lower limit. Remember one thing, these classes should be continuous. If these classes are not continuous, I will show you how to make these classes continuous in my next lecture. Now L is 3 here, this is 3. And H is the class size, that is the 2, width of the class. Here also it is written. Now let us use this data and this formula. Now mode is equal to L plus in the bracket F1 minus F0. This is 0. Little correction is there. You see that this is 1. F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1. F1 is the model class frequency. 2F1, and this is 0. And minus F2 multiplied by H. Substitute the value. L is 3, F1 is 8, F0 is 7, and down 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2. Substitute the values of these respective data, and H is 2. 8 minus 7, 1. So 1 upon 7 multiplied by 2. 1 upon 7 multiplied by 2. So 2 1 are 2. 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7. You divide 2 by 7. Right? So divide 2 by 7. You will get 0.2857 and so on. You write up to 3 digits. Now fourth digit is 7. So you have to round up to 3 digits. Now 7 is greater than 5. And add 1 to 5, so it will become 6. So 286. So this is the answer of 2 upon 7. So 3 plus 2.86 add, so it will be 3.286. Means the mode is here 3.2. So 3.286 is the size of the family members. I mean 3 point some members, and it may come in point decimal. Don't worry about it. Now here I have given you the example. Question number 2, find the mode, and answer is 52. Okay, Mike, you must have understood it. Upload the answer. Thank you.